The next few days, we have a reaching high pressure system bringing cooler conditions and light showers to the eastern parts of the country, but the same anti-clockwise rotation causing extremely hot conditions over the western parts of the country, where we are expecting heatwave conditions from Wednesday over the Richtersveld Municipality in the Northern Cape and spreading to the rest of the western coast from Thursday, is the Asia forecast. On Wednesday morning, a few foggy patches in the Cape provinces as well as around KwaZulu-Natal, and then another cold morning over the interior of the country. Then we have this onshore flow of air bringing isolated showers to the eastern parts of the country, but bergwind conditions quickly warming up the western coast, where we are expecting heatwave conditions over the Richtersveld Municipality in the Northern Cape. We can see those isolated light showers around the eastern coast and the adjacent interior, and into the evening, light rain possible around the eastern escarpment in Mpumalanga and Limpopo. In these areas, we are expecting a very poor PV harvest due to the cloudy conditions, otherwise an excellent PV harvest over the central and western parts of the country. Southeasterly winds blowing fresh to strong around the city of Cape Town on Wednesday afternoon, fresh to strong northeasterly winds picking up and blowing over the western interior as well as over our neighbouring country Namibia. Then we have a cold south-southeasterly wind blowing in the low velds of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. On Wednesday afternoon into the evening, we are expecting fresh to strong easterly to southeasterly winds to blow around the southern coast. In the Western Cape, another cold morning at first, minimum temperatures only in the single digits. Later, we are expecting warm conditions over the western coast, a bit windy, 31 the afternoon in Vredendal. Temperatures in the lower 20s over the interior, but remaining below 20 around the Southern Cape, only 17 the afternoon in George, 18 in Plettenberg Bay. Foggy conditions at first in parts of the Karoo as well as in parts of the Eastern Cape, -1 in the morning in Aliwal North where frost is possible. Later we are expecting cool to cold conditions with this onshore flow of air bringing isolated showers to the eastern coast of the Eastern Cape as well as the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the adjacent interior. Another cool to cold afternoon in KwaZulu-Natal, maximum temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius. Over the Highveld, another cold morning at first, later a bit warmer temperatures in the lower 20s, 23 the afternoon in Secunda. Cloudy skies expected in the low velds and an icy cold south-southeasterly wind blowing in the low velds of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Temperatures only in the lower 20s in the low velds of Limpopo, but a comfortable day in the bushveld, a bit windy at times, especially around Messina. In Northwest, we are expecting another cold morning, only 1 the morning in Vryburg. Later, warmer afternoon temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, reaching 27 the afternoon in Taung. Winter conditions expected over the northeastern parts of the province. In the Northern Cape, we are expecting extremely hot conditions over the western coast due to this bergwind conditions. Heatwave conditions expected from Wednesday over the Richtersveld Municipality in the Northern Cape. A freezing cold morning at first around Sutherland, where frost is possible. Later, we are expecting warmer conditions over the northern areas, 29 the afternoon in Uppington. In the Free State, another cold morning at first, 1 in Bloemfontein, later sunny skies and a bit warmer temperatures in the lower 20s, 22 in Bloemfontein. Another cold morning expected in Gauteng, later sunny skies and warmer, 24 in Pretoria, 22 in Johannesburg. On Thursday, we're still expecting cool conditions with light showers over the eastern part of the country, temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius, but now extremely hot over the western part of the country with heatwave conditions now spreading around the western coast, 39 the afternoon in Vredendal, 28 in Cape Town. On Friday, we're expecting mostly dry conditions across the country, a hot day over the western part of the country, 41 in Vredendal, 34 in Cape Town, and hot conditions also expected around the southern coast due to bergwind conditions, 30 the afternoon in George, a bit warmer now over the eastern part of the country, 25 the afternoon in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Wednesday and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.